Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Jamie LaViola. I'm a dentist here in Northern Virginia, and today I'd like to share with you a little bit about what I do with my team here at Dental Masters of Alexandria. I'm very passionate about dental care and especially implant dentistry. It gives me the ability to transform people's lives every day and keep people healthy. And I want to tell you a little bit about where that passion comes from. So here's the crazy thing is growing up, I never really wanted to be a dentist. My father was a dentist and I was in the office quite a bit. It wasn't something that I disliked, but I really wanted to carve out my own path and do something differently. I explored some other options. I ended up in a career initially in finance and found out that it really wasn't for me because I wanted to have a direct impact on people's lives, and that wasn't occurring in the finance industry. So this is how I ended back up going to dental school and really finding out that this is a way I can directly have an enormous impact on people's lives and make transformational changes. I've been at this approaching almost 2 decades, and the passion and love that I have for what I do today is the same or even more so than when I first started. And the reason for this is the techniques, the science that I continue to learn, and the opportunity for growth in the field of dentistry is tremendous. I can always go and learn new techniques, the new science, new technology, and then bring it back and directly impact people's lives and transform their lives and keep them healthy with what I'm learning. And it's a non-stop journey that allows me to partner with the patients and their families. So it's something that is really important. It's not just you come in and you get your teeth fixed, but we have a partnership in healthcare. An example of recently of maybe a course that I took is I just went to Brazil and we learned about a specific type of implant that can help someone in specific situations where if they need to have their teeth replaced, this might be the only way. So the reason for Brazil is the best of the best for this procedure. That's where people go to learn. And these are courses that I continue to take and I'll continue to find and improve what I do so that I can improve the partnerships with the people that I serve. The first patient I want to speak of is John. As you can see here in the picture of John, he came to us with basically bad teeth that were broken, infected, and he had a real lack of self-confidence. Was in a spot where he was pretty much at home, not doing much, wasn't comfortable, was in physical pain with his teeth, and also emotional pain because he didn't have the confidence to go out and talk to people. And as you can see in the picture, there's a drastic difference, even in, you look at how he's smiling in the after picture. So John came to us and I've been seeing him since 2012, and he's always been a high fear patient. He had a really bad experience when he was younger, and this is not uncommon. So for John, the first part was making him comfortable by just having a regular conversation and getting to know him, to know what his fears were and what was important for him through this journey. The second part for John was we used sedation in our office, and this enabled him to get through the journey and really get past not just fears but phobias so that he could get the treatment that he needed. So in this case, he got a full upper and lower set of teeth, a one-shot smile, we call that here in Dental Masters, and these teeth don't come out. He can smile now, he can eat the foods he wants to. And one thing that was really drastic that he spoke to me about was he's actually dating now. Before, he didn't have the confidence to date. He's really comfortable dating. He's also back in school and he's got a job. So the change for him has been drastic, and in fact, it's a partnership and a friendship, and he's a family member of our practice. So that's John's story. So the second patient I want to talk to you about is Eric. Eric's patient, I met him maybe a year ago, give or take, and Eric had a difficult upbringing and a difficult life, and because of that, he let his oral health go, and for the most part, all his teeth were in a position where they needed to come out. They were all unhealthy. He again was really working to turn his life around and doing a great job, but he wanted to have a solution for his smile, the ability to eat the foods he used to. And he does a lot of speaking to children and other people that have needs similar to the challenges that he went through. What was special about Eric's case, besides the fact of his personal story, is the way that we brought him through One-Shot Smile and how the process has evolved. So for Eric, we used newer technology. Basically, we scan the face, we do a digital scan of the face, the teeth, and the bone underneath, and we can merge that all together, and we digitally created his teeth. So obviously he had to go through the surgery, we put the implants in, but the teeth were all fabricated. The plan was created in the beginning digitally, and it was finished digitally. Eric's story is phenomenal. You can see the pictures here as well. The before and after, when these teeth went in and I put the mirror in front of him, his sister was there, and he just said wow and smiled for about 30 to 45 seconds, and his sister, who's kind of like really close close to him was in tears and gave him hugs and kisses and said, that's his big sister, that's my baby. It was just a special moment. Again, another patient that is a friend, a family member, and a partner of Dental Masters. So that's Eric's story. And both of these patients, it's not uncommon that we have these types of situations where we partner with patients and become their friends and change their lives. So again, this is really why I love what I do. So that's my story and why I'm so passionate about what I do, and a little bit about the journey of how I got there. I look forward to partnering with many of you on your journey to a better smile, more confidence, being able to eat foods better, better oral health, or just maintaining you and your family's oral health. As you can see, we have our phone number and our website listed. You can contact us either or, and I look forward to partnering with you on your journey to optimal oral health care. This is Dr. Jamie LaViola with Dental Masters of Alexandria.